Today, we are going to be cleaning my office. Look at this. This hasn't been cleaned in months. So we are going to be tackling this space, cleaning it, decluttering it, organizing it. So let's go. I have moved now, but this was filmed a while ago. I'm just getting around to editing stuff. The strategy here is to work in waves. So we're going to start at one section of the room and just kind of make my way around. So what I'm going to do is I have a garbage bag and I'm going to put away anything in that area that doesn't belong. And I figured tackling all of the bags. So I have a lot of Christmas bags, random bags, gift wrap, just getting everything over into that one section so then I can go ahead and organize it.
Chad Malin ain't no ghost writer. How I they give them better lamba? Pull my weight ain't no boss tighter. Oluwa too much, oh. Oluwa too much, oh. Man just they ask why you still love on me. Baba you too much, oh. Man still they ask why you too love. Where people, when I relate, oh. That's how the do just take baby.
There's nothing more convenient than these gift wrap organizers. So you can get them off of Amazon. They're like 20 bucks, maybe a little bit more than that now because I got them a while ago. But I have one for Christmas and then I have one for like birthday. And it's just such a good space saver. If you don't have a closet, you could hang it like in your basement or an attic or wherever. And it just saves so much space and keeps everything super organized. Cannot recommend one of these enough. So like I had mentioned, I was going to be moving here soon. So I'm just organizing everything into bins to make it a little bit easier. All my film equipment stuff, all of office supply stuff, paper, just random things. Just trying to get everything labeled and in bins to make it super easy because I was planning on putting a lot of stuff into storage. And I just had random cords, film lights, accessories, just kind of hanging out everywhere. And I needed to go through and get rid of what I'm not using. I don't need 20 little ring lights. I don't need all these little batteries and such. So just kind of trying to organize and sort through everything that I'm going to need, and then everything else is getting tossed. At this point, we're finally making progress. So I like to have my little setup over here, just a little vanity with all of my skincare, some makeup, stuff like that. But I also feel like it gets dirty very easily because it's just a catch-all. So as I'm sitting here, it's just tempting to leave everything out and not have to put it away. So when I would do my makeup and get ready in my bathroom, I would kind of do the same thing, just leave everything on the counter. But then I had started doing it in here, and now it's like just a mess. So going forward, I need to be more cognizant and do a better job here.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
Another section done, moving over to the desk area. So this is mainly like bills, papers, kids' artwork, stuff like that I just have to sort. Some of the stuff needs to get tossed. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the projects, these little scrapbooks that I make, and I'm just going to put everything in clear bins for now and then put them into storage, and then I'll finish those projects after I move.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of
And sometimes I have a hard time sticking to one area, so I'm just bouncing around right now. I think I actually just got bored and got tired of sorting papers. So I'm just giving this a quick clean. I love this scent, this Miss Myers. I will put it down below in the description. It's like a multi-surface cleaner. It's really good. doing a quick vacuum, and then I just have to move out all the bins and the boxes and the garbage and wait until you see this after. I can finally see the floor. I literally couldn't see the floor and walk in here. And here is the after. I am so much lighter. I am ready to go. Everything is back organized. Everything is put away. I decluttered things. It's just so much better.